Hello parents, exciting times are ahead. Your little bundle of joy is ready to explore a world beyond milk. This is a monumental step in their growth journey. Get ready for adorable faces as they try new flavors. Each bite is a new adventure filled with giggles and curiosity. Introducing solids is a big milestone. It's a time of discovery, not just for your baby, but for you as well. It's about nourishment, sure, but also sensory exploration and bonding. Watch as they touch, feel, and even play with their food. Remember, every baby is different. Some may take to solids quickly, while others might need a bit more time. This guide offers basic tips to get you started. From purees to finger foods, there's a lot to explore. But always consult your pediatrician for personalized advice. They can provide guidance tailored to your baby's unique needs. Every baby is unique, just like their taste buds. Ready for the adventure? Let's dig in and make mealtime fun and memorable. Safety is paramount. Introduce one new food at a time. Wait 2 to 3 days before introducing another. This helps identify potential allergies. Start with single-ingredient purees. Think fruits, veggies, then meats. Introduce highly allergenic foods gradually and carefully, watching for reactions. Choking hazards? No way. Avoid grapes, nuts, popcorn, and hot dogs. Cut food into small, manageable pieces. Supervision is key during mealtime. Is your baby a bit gassy? Try tummy time or gentle bicycle legs. These movements can help release trapped gas and ease discomfort. Make it a fun activity by singing or talking to your baby while you do it. This not only helps with gas but also strengthens their muscles and promotes bonding. A warm bath can also work wonders to soothe and relax. The warm water can help to relax your baby's muscles and ease any tension. Add a few drops of lavender oil to the bath for an extra calming effect. Always ensure the water temperature is just right, not too hot or cold. Constipation got your little one down? High-fiber foods like prunes can help get things moving. Prunes are not only rich in fiber but also contain sorbitol, a natural laxative. You can puree them or offer them as finger foods if your baby is ready for solids, and pears can be your allies. Pears are gentle on the stomach and packed with fiber. They can be served mashed, pureed, or as small, soft pieces. Mixing them with other fruits can make them more appealing to your baby. Hydration is key, so offer extra water throughout the day. Water helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly. If your baby is reluctant to drink water, try offering it in a fun sippy cup or adding a splash of fruit juice for flavor. Remember, patience is a virtue. Every baby is different, and what works for one might not work for another. Stay calm and keep trying different methods. Your patience and persistence will pay off in the end. Some babies take to solids like ducks to water. Others, not so much. It's normal for babies to be hesitant at first. Keep offering a variety of foods and textures. Encourage them gently and celebrate small victories. Keep offering, keep it positive, and they'll come around. Positive reinforcement and a relaxed atmosphere can make mealtime enjoyable for both you and your baby. With time and patience, your baby will develop healthy eating habits. See any signs of allergic reaction? It's important to be vigilant and trust your instincts as a parent. Your baby can't tell you what's wrong, so you have to be their voice. Rash, swelling, vomiting, difficulty breathing. These are all serious signs. Call your doctor immediately, don't wait. Quick action can make all the difference in ensuring your baby's health and safety. Persistent diarrhea or constipation can indicate a problem. Blood in the stool? These symptoms should never be ignored. Call your doctor to get the right advice and treatment. Better safe than sorry, parents. Don't have insurance? No worries. There are many resources available to help you. Check out MyHomeDoc Telehealth for affordable online consultations. They can guide you through any concerns you have. Remember, you're doing great. Your attentiveness is key to your baby's well-being. Introducing solids is a journey. It's a big step for both you and your baby. Take it slow and enjoy the process. Enjoy the messy faces and newfound independence. These moments are precious and fleeting. Happy feeding.